Hey there, smart investors. Welcome back to Success Blueprints, your go-to channel for personal finance and investing tips. If you're looking to turn $1,000 into a lot more in 2025, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm breaking down 10 proven strategies to multiply your money step by step. Stick around to the end, because I've got a bonus tip you don't want to miss. Ready to make 2025 your year of financial success? Let's dive in. First up, diversify your investments. Putting all your money into one stock or asset can be risky. Spread your money across different asset classes like stocks, ETFs, bonds, or real estate. Diversification reduces risk while still giving your money room to grow. It's like having a safety net. Imagine a tightrope walker with a net underneath. A diversified portfolio can weather market ups and downs better. So, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread them out and watch them grow. Next, let's talk about the magic of compound interest. Invest in assets that grow over time, like index funds or a high-yield savings account. Did you know that investing $1,000 in an account with a 10% annual return could grow to nearly $1,610 in just 5 years if left untouched? The key here is consistency and patience. Even small contributions can lead to significant growth. Compound interest is like planting a money tree. You plant the seed, water it regularly, and over time, it grows into a huge tree bearing fruit. The same goes for your investments. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. So, be patient and let the magic of compounding work for you. Remember, it's not just about making money. It's about letting your money make money. Strategy 3 is building multiple income streams. Use part of your $1,000 to start a side hustle or invest in tools that generate passive income. For example, you could buy a domain name for $50, build a blog, and monetize it with affiliate marketing. Or invest in creating digital products like an ebook or online course. Diversifying your income protects you from relying on just one source. Having multiple income streams is like having multiple safety nets. If one income stream dries up, others can keep you afloat. This strategy not only provides financial security, but also opens up new opportunities for growth. Imagine having money coming in from different sources. It's like having a financial safety net that keeps you secure and prosperous. So, start thinking about how you can create additional income streams today. Chapter 4. Invest in yourself. One of the smartest ways to multiply $1,000 is by take an online course on high-income skills like coding, digital marketing, or copywriting. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer affordable options. For example, a $200 course on SEO could lead to freelancing gigs that pay you $1,000 per project. Remember, the more valuable your skills, the higher your earning potential. Investing in yourself is like upgrading your software. The more you know, the more you can do, and the more you can earn. Think of it as enhancing your personal value. The skills and knowledge you acquire today can lead to lucrative opportunities tomorrow. So, don't hesitate to spend money on education and self-improvement. It's an investment that always pays off in the long run. Chapter 5. Start a small business. Starting a small business doesn't have to cost a fortune. Use your $1,000 to kickstart a low-cost business, like dropshipping, selling handmade goods, or offering freelance services. Spend on a website, initial inventory, and marketing. Many successful entrepreneurs started with less than $1,000. Start small, test your ideas, and scale up. Take that leap and start building your dream business today. Chapter 6. Take advantage of cryptocurrency opportunities. Cryptocurrency isn't going anywhere, and 2025 could be a great year to invest smartly. Allocate a portion of your $1,000 to established coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or research promising altcoins. Remember, only invest what you can afford to lose, and use secure platforms like Kraken, Coinbase, or Binance. Diversifying into crypto can add a high-risk, high-reward component to your portfolio. Investing in cryptocurrency is like entering a new frontier. It's exciting, volatile, and has the potential for high rewards. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Do your research, start small, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency can add a high-risk, high-reward component to your portfolio, but it's essential to stay informed and cautious. So, dive in, but do so wisely. Chapter 7. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Prosper and Lending Club let you lend money directly to individuals or small businesses. You earn interest on your loans, which can provide a steady income stream. With as little as $25 per loan, you can spread your $1,000 across multiple borrowers to reduce risk. Peer-to-peer lending is like becoming your own bank. You lend out money and earn interest in return. It's a great way to diversify your income and earn steady returns. The key is to spread your investments across multiple loans to minimize risk. By doing so, you can build a reliable income stream that grows over time. So consider lending a portion of your $1,000 and watch your money work for you. Dividend-paying stocks are a fantastic way to grow your money. Companies like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson have a history of paying consistent dividends. Invest your $1,000 into these stocks and reinvest the dividends to take advantage of compounding. This strategy builds wealth steadily over time. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is like planting a money tree that keeps bearing fruit. The dividends you earn can be reinvested to buy more shares, creating a snowball effect. Over time, this can lead to substantial growth. The key is to choose reliable companies with a history of paying consistent dividends. So, invest wisely, reinvest your dividends, and watch your wealth grow steadily over time. Flipping items is a quick way to turn $1,000 into more. Visit thrift stores, garage sales, or clearance sections and resell items on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. For example, spend $50 on a vintage item and sell it for $200. Repeat this process, and your profits can snowball. Flipping items is like turning trash into treasure. With a keen eye and a little effort, you can buy low and sell high, generating quick profits. The key is to find high-demand items and market them effectively. Start small, reinvest your profits, and watch your earnings grow. It's a fun and profitable way to turn your $1,000 into more, so start flipping and watch your profits soar. Finally, consider parking your money in a high-yield savings account or certificate of deposit, CD. These options offer guaranteed returns and are great for risk-averse investors. Look for accounts with APYs above 4% to maximize your earnings while keeping your money safe. High-yield savings accounts and CDs are like putting your money in a safe with a growing interest. They offer guaranteed returns and are perfect for those who prefer low-risk investments. The key is to find accounts with competitive APYs to maximize your returns. So, if you prefer a safe and steady approach, consider these options. Your money will grow securely, giving you peace of mind and a reliable return. There you have it. 10 proven strategies to multiply $1,000 in 2025. Which of these strategies are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Success Blueprints, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Here's to making 2025 your most profitable year yet.